Welcome to KMNR Engineering, where expertise meets innovation. Journey with us as we explore the dynamic work environment that defines us. Prepared, each one a space of potential and purpose. With meticulous attention, our engineers and technicians fine-tune every detail. From electrical to mechanical systems, each component aligns to create seamless, efficient designs. Teams converge, collaborating seamlessly to tackle projects. Ideas spark, concepts evolve, and the essence of KMNRA's ingenuity takes shape. Afternoons are a testament to focused dedication. Calculations, blueprints, and designs flow harmoniously, each task contributing to the tapestry of innovation. In our cutting-edge labs, technology and creativity converge. Simulations come to life and prototypes emerge, setting new standards in engineering excellence. Together, visions are transformed into tangible, sustainable solutions, exemplifying KMNR Engineering's commitment to success. Music transcends boundaries, and our dedicated music room is a testament to that. Whether you're a seasoned musician or just want to unwind, this space is where harmony comes to life. For those moments when you need a mental break, our PlayStation Corner awaits. Dive into a world of virtual adventures and let your imagination run wild. Unwind and recharge in our recreation zone, where you'll find an array of activities. Challenge a colleague to a game of pool. Try your hand at foosball, or showcase your skills on the ping pong table. For working parents, we understand the importance of balancing career and family. That's why we're proud to offer an on-site daycare facility, a safe and nurturing space where your little ones can thrive. From daycare to creative spaces, music, games, and more, our workspace is a testament to the belief that a happy and supportive environment leads to extraordinary achievements. Thank you for joining us on this journey through our vibrant office environment.